Welcome back. So finding the right resources for your family can sometimes feel overwhelming, and that's why tomorrow Lucas County Children's Services is bringing more than 50 local organizations together for a free resource fair. We have LaShonda Holmes and Christina Moreland with us from LCCS to talk all about that. Thanks for being here today, ladies.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. 50 vendors in one place. That's not an easy task, but you all have done it, yeah?
Yes, we have.
What can people expect when they come out tomorrow?
They can expect to see a number of providers from the community all in one place, and they're able to go from table to table to gain information.
Yeah, these are resources from what may seem as simple as getting a library card to signing up for mental health services, right?
Correct.
Yeah. How did you go about finding all these different resources and bringing them together?
So we had a list of providers, and I was able to email, the providers asking if they were interested, but I just took on this role back in January, and so people were contacting me before I even sent the emails out, and they were saying that they were excited to be a part of the resource fair this year.
Yes.
Many of these providers have been our partners, for quite a while, but there's always new resources that kind of pop up that maybe people aren't quite as familiar with, so we're excited to have such a strong response, and we're expecting over 50
to be there for people to come out. Now, we should mention that this isn't just for folks who are associated somehow with Lucas County Children's Services, whether it's, foster care or anything like that. This is open to the public for anybody who wants to come out.
Yes, it's open to the public. We have it set where our staff will meet the providers and speak with them from 10 to 11, and then from 11 to 1, it'll be open to the public.
Okay, yeah, so this is you at home and you're saying, oh, I've been wanting to get this taken care of, this taken care of, this all in one spot. This is the place to come for that. But when it does come to children's services, do you find that your clients, the folks that you work with, are saying, hey, I'm doing the best that I can, I just need to be pointed in the right direction? Absolutely.
Yeah, we hear them voice that they are working hard to do what they need to do, and they just need the services. So tomorrow we'll have a number of providers in the room, and they'll be able to get that information.
Yeah. We want to keep families together, clearly, with Lucas County Children's Services. And sometimes it's just, hey, I just need a little bit of help with this, and we can get things back on course and put the kids back in a stable, safe environment. Yes. So what should people bring anything with them, or what would they need to come to the fair?
They won't need anything.
Okay.
Everything will be in the room ready for them. They'll be able to go from table to table. Providers will have bags available, different things that they'll offer to people that are coming in. So they won't need anything, just themselves.
Okay. Yeah. Well, that's good. That's good to hear. Now, I was looking at some of the list of some of the players that you're going to have here, some of those vendors. We've got NAMI, YWCA, Unison, Ohio Rise, Adopt America Network, so Jobs and Family Services. Yes. So these are big players here, as I mentioned, all coming together in one spot. So it should make things fairly easy, right?
Yes.
For folks to come out.
Yes.
This is happening at Children's Services, but downstairs, yeah? Explain how people can find you once they get downtown.
So we'll be in the community resource room, which is right on the first floor of the building. We're at 301 Adams Street.
Okay.
And they can access the building through North St. Clair Street.
Okay.
Is going to be the closest to the room. But because we've had such a great turnout this year with the number of providers, we're also going to have providers in the lobby. So once you get to our agency in our building, you're not going to be able to miss us.
Yeah, at the corner there, so if you know where Imagination Station is, across the street, Summit in St. Clair, as you mentioned as well. You can come in and just be willing, bring a bag maybe, so you can put everything in one place when you're on your way out. Again, this is happening tomorrow. Children's Services there. Give us the hours again. You said from 10 to 11 is for the vendors?
Yes, 10 to 11 is open to our staff, and then 11 to 1 will be open to the public and our staff.
Yeah, so if you got a lunch hour tomorrow, pop on down and get some information that you'll need. Ladies, thanks for being here today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.